And there's breaking news coming in. HD Revanna has been remanded to judicial custody till the 14th. Now, this is the latest when it comes to the probe against HD Revanna and Prajwal Revanna. There is no relief for now for HD Revanna. He has been remanded to judicial custody. HD Revanna's name was mentioned as accused number 1 in the case. We have Imran joining us. Imran, ever since HD Revanna has been taken into custody, there are multiple claims made by him about how he's not feeling well, how he needs hospitalization, and now he's been remanded to judicial custody. Take us through more details. Imran, if you can hear me. All right, we seem to have lost...
This lawyers moved for bail application, which has been posted for tomorrow, but the SIT custody and... Yes, the SIT custody ended today. The SIT custody of HD Revanna ended today, and he's been now remanded to judicial custody till May 14th. The lawyers try to argue that Revanna has answered all the questions and he cannot accept what the SIT is asking him to sign on. And behind me is right now where the case went on for almost 2 hours, where HD Revanna's lawyers argued that he has answered all the questions what SIT has asked, and the case foisted against him of kidnapping is a false one. He denied that any such kidnapping he has done, and they also did, citing health grounds, they wanted him to be granted bail and to be let free, but the court hasn't accepted that. He has been given to judicial custody till May 14th is what the latest is coming on, but his bail application is coming up for hearing tomorrow. We have to see what the strategy these lawyers apply tomorrow for that, but his SIT custody ended today and he's been handed over to judicial custody now till May 15th.
So HD Revanna has been remanded to judicial custody. The hearing that Imran is telling us went on for about 2 hours. HD Revanna's lawyers denied all the charges of kidnapping that have been leveled against him. And the SIT on its part has gone on to present a watertight case. Tomorrow another bail hearing is supposed to come up, is what Imran is now telling us. But Imran, when it comes to Prajwal Revanna, when is he expected to return? What is his legal team saying? We once had seen there was one statement put out. They had mentioned a date and they had sought time from the SIT. There were multiple lookout notices also that are now out. So what is the strategy when it comes to bringing back Prajwal Revanna?
Well, absolutely. As you rightly pointed out, they'd asked the lawyer, then Arun J had sought time for 7 days, saying that he's abroad and he's going to take some time to come. Meanwhile, the lawyer also has been changed. C.V. Nagesh, a very senior lawyer from the Karnataka High Court, has been brought in as a defense lawyer for Prajwal Revanna. They are looking for seeking bail of Prajwal Revanna before he attends the SIT. As they very well know, 2 times he has flouted this show cause notice issued to them by SIT. Now a blue collar notice has been given on Prajwal Revanna, where by Interpol. That means any port in India, as soon as he comes, he is liable for arrest.
Right.
So SIT police also says that they will not give him any room. Anytime moment he lands, he will be arrested. Now his sources in the party are telling us they're moving for his bail application. They'll try for that. Otherwise, within 2 days, Prajwal Revanna will be in Bangalore. This is what his lawyers are trading.
Right.
But we are not sure yet whether they are trying to hoodwink the media, because their strategy seems to be delay as much as we can. Now already HD Revanna is arrested. Now, as it's just now a few minutes before, he's been given judicial custody till May 14th. That's 6 days from now. And now we're expecting that he should land any moment. Otherwise, it's a serious charges building up for Prajwal Revanna, as one more victim has come forward yesterday and registered an FIR of rape, charging him of rape yesterday with the Cyber Cell Police of the CID.
Right. Thank you, Imran, for getting us those details. So for now, HD Revanna has been remanded to judicial custody in connection with the kidnapping case. Prajwal Revanna, trouble is brewing for him. More victims are speaking out. More complaints are being filed. A blue corner notice has also been issued.